making cheeseburgers?
Cheese buns.
We're making cheese buns and making butter. I'm making cheese and with the grater.
Good morning. We are going to be making cheese buns this morning to go with our chili that we're having for supper later tonight. So they need to rise for about 8 hours from frozen. So we're doing that this morning so that they're ready for tonight. You can also do this the night before and they're ready to bake in the morning. So I'm using these Sunrise Bakery white dinner rolls. I usually find them at Sobeys. I've seen them at Co-op and various other grocery stores. They're in the freezer section, and the recipe for this is actually on the back of the bag. Can you put these into the bin for me now? Yeah. Into the pan?
In the pan?
In the pan.
Why?
We need to put them all in the pan.
Oh.
All of them. Yep.
1, 2.
Good job.
2.
Yeah. Now what's next?
This one.
What number is that?
2.
3.
3.
Okay. 4.
4.
Yeah.
4.
Mm-hmm.
1.
5.
2.
Good job. What next? 7.
7. 8. 5.
8. What comes after 8?
8.
9.
9. This is 9.
9. Yeah.
9.
Mm-hmm.
2.
10.
10. And 1. And 1. What's that tea?
Okay, can I have the bag now?
Yeah.
Thank you.
My cheese. Cheese.
You gotta grate the cheese
Green.
on the grater.
Green.
Are you gonna hold the cheese or you wanna hold the grater?
I'm gonna hold the grater.
You're gonna hold the grater?
I'm gonna hold the cheese.
Okay.
I want to help.
No?
I need help.
You need help? I like using a strong cheddar just so there's lots of flavor, but you can use whatever you like. You gonna hold it?
Yeah.
Can I help you hold it?
Why?
Just so that we got extra muscles holding it.
This is a heavy one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's tough work, Kate.
Yeah.
Is there lots in there?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you see it coming out?
Yeah.
Yeah? Does it look cool?
Ready?
Do you think there's enough in there?
Yeah, there is nothing there.
Yeah, you think?
There is.
There is?
Yeah, we
Okay.
did it.
So,
Whoa.
big reveal. So we gotta pour the butter on. I'm gonna pour the butter on because the dish is still a little bit hot, okay?
Is this a little bit hot?
The dish that has the butter in it is a little bit hot still.
Oh.
All right, buddy, sprinkle the cheese on.
Sprinkle.
Sprinkle it all over.
I can have a little bit. I have some little bit.
Yeah, you gonna taste it?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I was up.
Okay, you help. Sprinkle it around.
Sprinkle.
Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Good job.
Sprinkle. So one more. One more.
Where are your manners?
This taste.
Mm-hmm. There we go.
You need to put the more.
I think we got lots, buddy.
No. I need these ones.
Yeah? Do you need a little bit to grade just for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, good like something.
You want me to grade some for you?
Yeah.
Where are your manners?
Where's the from the place?
Yes.
Then I need some too.
Yeah?
I keep eating all of these. And I gotta get more teeth.
Yeah.
Don't know what it goes on.
Okay. So now we need to take a wet tea
I got
towel.
my own. I got my own.
Yeah?
Yeah. Mommy, you make me some. You grade some for me, Mom. You grade some for me. These are my own.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So next we wet tea towel, cover it up, and we're gonna put it away for later.
Why? Need white?
So thanks everyone for joining us this morning. We'll show you guys a little bit more later on
Bye.
when they're all baked and how Hudson likes to use them for dipping. Bye.
Dad.
How is it?